Hello and welcome to another episode in Gary's Food Review. I got the new Jurassic Peanut Butter Blizzard from Dairy Queen. Check it out. To celebrate the movie that's coming out. So it's like melting fast, but it's still pretty thick. Has peanut butter and chocolate little candy crunch things in it. So let's give this Blizzard a try. Really good. Love the peanut butter and chocolate candy in here. Has a really strong peanut butter flavor mixed in with the ice cream. Like a nice, good chocolate ice cream with peanut butter mixed in, with chocolate and peanut butter and crunches on top. Yeah, it's like a really strong peanut butter and chocolate flavor mixed into the ice cream too. Like I get a big chunk of just ice cream. Even that has a strong peanut butter flavor. But yeah, I love peanut butter. And if you like peanut butter too, or love peanut butter, you will really enjoy this Blizzard. So with that said, overall, on the food taste scale overall, I would have to give the Jurassic Blizzard Peanut Butter Blizzard from Dairy Queen a 9 out of 10. Really good, and I highly recommend you give this one a try while it's out before the movie comes out. So, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, I'll catch you all later. Bye-bye.